The Huanherad 5000 PSI electric pressure washer delivers exceptional cleaning power with its high-performance 2000-watt motor, making it ideal for a variety of tough cleaning tasks. With its advanced Pro Pump, this pressure washer offers not only unmatched performance, but also double the lifespan compared to previous models, ensuring long-term reliability. Durability is a key feature of this washer, thanks to its professional-grade metal garden hose adapters and a high-pressure hose designed to prevent leaks. The built-in smart total stop system conserves energy and extends the equipment's life by automatically shutting off when not in use, adding an extra layer of convenience and safety. This model comes with premium accessories, including a spray gun with a metal connection, 5 quick connect nozzles, and a detergent tank, providing versatility for various cleaning needs. Setting up the Huanherad pressure washer is a breeze, allowing users to start their cleaning tasks quickly and efficiently without the hassle of complicated assembly.